I'm Wendy Reid. I'm the Director of Education and Quality and the Medical Director at Health Education England. And I'm really pleased to be able to send you a short message this Christmas. I realise that this year has been tough, both personally and professionally, for all of you that are in training and at all levels. The strain of delivering patient care in these testing times and trying to maintain your training and look after yourselves and your families will have left some of you emotionally and physically exhausted. I understand that some of you may feel that your training has been thrown into chaos and that by supporting the response to the pandemic, you've not been able to access the normal learning opportunities and to develop your specialty competencies. What you have learnt during this time may not yet be evident. And one of my commitments to you is that in HEE, we look at all aspects of education and training during the last 9 months, and that as we go into 2021, we will work to keep hold of the good things that you've learnt, mitigate the areas that have a negative impact, and continue to support high quality training across the whole of the NHS, wherever you may be working. Colleagues across HEE, and in particular your postgraduate deans, your heads of school, your training programme directors, have been working tirelessly to try and protect your training needs and to make sure that they continue to be met, particularly so that you're able to progress through your training. And of course, we won't have got everything right the first time, and I am very grateful for your tolerance of the changes that we made as we worked incredibly quickly to roll out support for patients in the NHS in the spring of this year. We have been able to continue with recruitment, your assessments, the ARCPs, and as much training as possible. And we are working to understand the impact of the changes and to help address the issues arising. We, like all of you, will continue to learn and adapt to the changing landscape that the pandemic brings. Many of the people responsible for your training, of course, are also themselves working in the front line. I do want your voices to be heard, and our postgraduate deans and their teams are committed to keeping your careers on track. You have all given so much over this year and played a vital role in providing care to patients. And for this, I'm extremely proud of you and thankful to all of you. I know that we thought that looking forward to 2021, there was a glimmer of hope with the wider rollout of the vaccine and that our lives may return to some sort of normality fairly quickly. However, of course, the news this week has made us have a think again about what we need to do to support patients as the next phase of the virus has its impact. There is, of course, a massive task waiting for us in healthcare as we do the catch-up work. We care for those who've been waiting a long time and indeed identify all of your learning needs as part of that catch-up. Until this phase ends and we have a plan for the future, I want to assure you that we are here to support you and we will continue to work hard to deliver your training and your progress in your careers. I want to thank you for your continued dedication and professionalism. I'm in awe of some of the things that you have achieved and some of the care that you've given. So thank you very much from all of us in HE. I wish you as good a Christmas as you can possibly have and all the best for 2021. And you have my personal commitment that we will work hard to make sure that your training is back on track as soon as possible.